Hello everyone, Nate Kopic here with Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2017 Ram 1500 Laramie edition, stock number CP15694T. This one is red in color. Let's have these stylish headlights, some fog lights down here in the front chrome trim here. It's got a nice chrome grille. I'm a big fan of chrome myself. We got a nice chrome 20-inch wheel. Tires seem to be about, I don't know, they're probably 80%, 90%. Chrome mirrors with the turn signals in them, real nice. With the chrome door handles, lots of chrome. Ooh, we got some wood grain on chrome now. Power mirrors, windows, locks. Power premium leather seats. Says Laramie right in there. Got a pretty nice side storage compartment here. It also folds up, so you got you a bench seat. This would be the center console I would want. 8.4-inch Uconnect radio allows you to control things like your backup camera, anything to do with your radio as far as satellite radio, anything like that. Plus there's also climate controls and apps and things, lots of stuff you can do in there. Got your hard buttons for climate controls here and your radio. This vehicle has heated and ventilated seats. It also has a heated steering wheel, 4-wheel drive. Got the dial style shifter. Dial style, I like that. I'm gonna start using that. We got the premium leather wrapped steering wheel. Now you got controls over here that's gonna allow you to shift up and down the gears, cruise control, hands-free options, plus these little arrows here control this big area up here in your gauge cluster. There's lots of things you can change up in there and look at. It's got pedal forward and back. It's real nice. A lot of people look for that actually. Buttons on the back of the steering wheel here control things like presets and volume. Take a look in the back. Pretty spacious back seat. Seats do fold up. Now there's a couple cool things that are going on here in the back. These fold out first off and make you a nice sturdy platform here. So if there's things you don't want to have weathered and being in the back because you don't have a tonneau cover, it's got a little peace of mind in knowing that Ram's got you covered. A little LED underneath the light lets you see. Now one of my favorite things is this. A removable storage container. There's one on each side. It's real nice in the summertime for keeping pops cold when you're cruising around. Put that seat back down. Does have a sliding rear window. Chrome rear bumper with the chrome muffler tips. All set up to tow. And got the pins here. Does have a spray-in bed liner with plastic caps on the rails. Looks to be in 100% condition. That's excellent condition. Chrome badging. Don't see any major dents, dings, or scrapes or anything. I actually haven't seen any. This is a certified pre-owned vehicle. Has a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty. 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, 125-point inspection this bad boy goes through. You also have these things that are thrown in there for you. You get you a Carfax, 24-hour roadside assistance, car rental allowance, and 3 whole months of Sirius XM satellite. Great looking truck. Again, this is a 2017 Ram 1500 Laramie. Stock number CP15694T. I'm Nate Kopic. Stop in and see me today, or give me a call at 937-778-0830. Also, make sure to visit our website at sherrychrysler.com.